girl said, you have to understand. Alright? But you have to promise me. So you have to come right back to me. And we will always have it forever. Alright? Promise me.
Can't promise you that right now, Kareem. Really can't. Just leave that alone right now. Until I said I'm gonna dramatic, you know. Jesus. Babe.
So Tiffany, you have warm clothes, right?
Duh.
Okay, because foreign in the belly skin is very cold.
Yeah, babe, I can like something like the
I see you.
We're here. I'm about to leave. You could go pull over upon road and make promise to you. But just I realized that you never make me no promise. How serious are you about this?
But Tiffany, you know enough to ask me that.
But I did ask Karim, and I want an answer.
Tiffany, I love you. I'm in love with you. Like, me never did know, for challenge my love, but I am in love with you and I want us to work. We can't go a day without you. Alright? I need you to understand and I need you to believe because I know you can feel it.
Babe, listen. It's not that I doubt you, I can feel that you love me. But what's happening now, what's happening is my mother. You know how much I love and I looked up to my mother. I trusted her and she betrayed me. All of this, my uncle and my father and my uncle. It just made me question things. I want to say I have trust issues or anything, but it's starting to surface. So I hope that doesn't affect things between us. But I do believe that you love me. And I hope you make your bitches them know that as well.
But who, Tiffany?
Karim, I'm not stupid. You're a young, tall, good looking man. Some know the girls them on the streets too. You not got the year, your back a aisle up, and you may be tempted. But me just to make you know from now. Say, don't play with me. And make sure them know say I'm me and the woman in your life.
Okay, ma'am?
Yep. So get the suitcases. I'm supposed to go.